Introducing Responder HD from Viper, winner of the 2009 CES Innovations Award. Responder HD features the world's most sophisticated two-way 1-mile range remote with a full color screen, operating a state-of-the-art security and remote start system. Using the patented menu wheel, let's see some of the many custom animations. Armed, disarm, remote start activate, remote start deactivate, hold for 3 seconds, trunk release, scroll, valet mode, enter. Exit valet mode. Sensor silent mode. Full silent mode. Car finder. Aux channel, pulsed output. Car 2 not available.